Today I have a Kia K5 and I'm going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers and the windshield washer on this particular Kia K5. All right, but before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm in the Kia K5, and in order to operate the windshield wipers and the windshield washer on this particular vehicle, what you'll do is you'll come up to this, you see I'm behind the steering wheel, you'll come up and you'll see this lever with these icons on it right here. You see all of this? These icons. What I'll do is I will take this lever, and what you can do, get in so you can see it a little bit better. You take this and let's see if it's, why is it shaking a little bit? Let's try to get a better picture right there. What I'll do is I'll take this, and it says mist upwards. Okay, so if you have a mist on your windshield, you can just go like this and it just wipes the mist off. It just does one wipe and it goes back to the off position once I released it. Now, if I go down, it's currently in the off position. If I go down one, it is in the intermittents, okay? And you can adjust the intermittents with this lever right here. Right here. That's for more wiping, for more rain, and this is for less. And if I take the same lever and go down one more, it goes to the low option. You can hear it a little bit. And if I go down one more, it is in the high selection, just like that. You see that? And in order to turn it off, I'll just take this lever and go all the way up, just like that. You see how I did that? Now I'm going to show you how to do the windshield washer in order to wash the windshield, just in case you get some stuff on your windshield. I'll take this lever right here and pull it towards me. And you see that? I'm pulling it towards me and it's washing the windshield, and it's dispensing washer fluid until I release it, and then it wipes a couple more times, then it turns it off just like that. You see that? And that is how you operate the windshield wipers and the windshield washer in this particular Kia K5. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.